everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2019 Chevy Blazer RS in a gray metallic exterior. I would like to mention that this vehicle has a clean Carfax with one previous owner. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights. Not to mention, going right down along that, you'll also see that it comes with beautiful running LED fog lights with that beautiful black trim. Coming here towards the middle, you'll see that it also has a black grille insert along with some of this gunmetal gray trim there as well, and that beautiful blacked out patented Chevy logo. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to point out here on the exterior as well before we show you guys this beautiful interior. Here on your rear view mirrors, you will have turn signal indicators on the back. Not to mention, on the front, you will have blind spot monitoring there as well. On your door handles, as long as that key's in your pocket, all you got to do is press that button and it'll unlock. But opening it up, let's go ahead and show you guys this beautiful interior. This is going to come with a premium black leather interior with some of this beautiful red stitching as well as red accents along the aerated holes here on the seat. Not to mention, you will have a beautiful black dash with that red stitching staying consistent, as well as some of the beautiful red accents there along the air vents as well. Now, we're going to go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out, guys, and show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Something cool I just want to show you guys, though. This glove box is not normal. There's no buttons to push here on the actual glove box. Your button is going to be located up here next to your touchscreen display. All you got to do, press that button there on the left, and that'll go ahead and drop down. Like I said, let's go ahead and grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. On this specific Chevy Blazer, your left and right front tire depth will be 9 and 32 seconds, with the left and right rear being 8 and 32 seconds. Your brakes in the front will be 9 and 32 seconds, with the rear brakes being 13 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful black leather interior will stay the same, once again with that red stitching and the red accents staying consistent as well back here. Now, between the driver and passenger seat, you will have a USB-C, a USB, and a 150-watt normal outlet back here. Not to mention the two air vents up top and a small storage compartment located below. Then coming back here between the passenger seat, or the back seats, I apologize, you will pull down a middle console equipped with two cup holders. Here at the rear of this sleek looking Chevy Blazer now, I do just want to mention that this vehicle will come equipped with a backup camera. And it will also come with an automatic lift. Go ahead and lifting up the trunk though, you'll see that it comes with a very large trunk here with plenty of room to haul groceries or anything you could possibly think of. Not to mention, not included is a privacy shader position holder there. Not to mention, you will have hooks back here for if you need to strap anything down, and these beautiful WeatherTech lining mats back here as well, so nothing gets dirty. All you have to do to put this trunk down is there's an automatic button here. You just press that and it will go down. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle. It will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Located on the door panel as well, you will have the option to change the height of your trunk lift, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in now, let's go ahead and start this beautiful vehicle up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here from Chevy on your driver display and your touchscreen display. Perfect. This vehicle will come with just over 67,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have the brightness for your driver display, as well as all of your headlight adjustments and your parking brake located there below. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be your high beams, low beams, as well as your turn signals. The right side will be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be your cruise control, as well as the option to turn on your heated steering wheel. And on the right side, you'll have your touch to talk options, as well as your middle display options. Coming here over into the middle, you will come with a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, navigation, and as I mentioned previously, a backup camera. Right below that, you'll have the climate control at the touch of your fingertips. Not to mention, these front seats are heated as well. Below the climate control, you'll have those beautiful two air vents with that beautiful red accent there. Not to mention the USB and the USB-C port. A small storage compartment, your beautiful shifter knob, 2 cup holders, another small storage compartment, as well as your different options for towing, all-terrain mode, and four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, and so forth. Not to mention there is a parking sensor option there as well. Go ahead and lifting up the center console, you will have a large center console equipped with another USB-C, a USB port, and a 12-volt plug-in. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have a sunglass holder up front. You have the option to sync this to your garage door and open any of those doors there. You will have your lighting options for your driver and passenger. And finally, you will have your OnStar options. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 3.6 liter V6F DOHC 24V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep your garage kept its entire life. Not to mention, here along your driver's side headlight, you will have a slight imperfection there as well. Coming here to the passenger side of the vehicle, this front right tire, I apologize, will have some slight imperfections there as well. Coming back here along the body, there's going to be some slight scratch marks there as well. Coming back here towards the rear, no scratches, no marks, no dings. There are some slight markings here along the bottom of the trunk. Coming down the driver's side of the vehicle, once again, this back left tire, I apologize, will be pretty scraped up here as well. I apologize. Something else I do just want to point out here on your driver's door. Whenever you open it, there will be a popping sound. Go ahead and listen for it here. There, you can hear that. I'll go ahead and do it again just so you guys can get a better hearing for it. Other than that though, this is an extremely clean 2019. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2019 Chevy Blazer RS. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, PA.